ASP.NET grid view edit delete option using SQL data source. Yeah, this is a very easy example. Yeah, this is a grid view. This is a SQL data source we already choose. If you want to see again, then I can show you. Choose SQL data source, new data source. You can select multiple. Then again the existing connection string. This is the connection string. Next, file. Select EMP employee table from database. These are the fields. Order by. You can select multiple order by EMP name. Next, test query. Finish. Okay. Now you have to add edit and delete button. Click here on the small span, edit columns, add command buttons, command fields, edit, delete, edit, update and delete. Yeah, just give a heading text, edit, and for delete it's a delete. Okay, now we have to write two queries, edit and delete query. We have to write for this query is matching connected with its SQL data source, because with this grid view and data source is connected interlinked. If you see select grid view, you can find out here SQL data source ID. This is SQL source data source ID. So we have to write query to SQL data source, that is the update query. Here query builder, you can select table, yeah, column name which you want to update. EMP ID can't be updated because it's auto-generated column. Employee name, set new value with @ this is the parameter name, kind of that. CT again, here is @, then manager. Now we have to put a where clause. Employee ID will be in a filter, that is a where clause. Okay, yeah, this is the query. Update EMP, set EMP name equal to @EMP name, city city name, manager manager, where EMP ID equal to EMP ID. Refresh parameter list, provide the values to parameter. Select parameter 1, that is EMP name. Parameter source control from grid view. Again city from control grid view. Manager control grid view. EMP ID from control grid view. Yeah, before using that you have to give data source, that is data key name. It's must. We have to provide data key name, that is a unique ID field, and that is in this table. This is employee ID, so you have to provide data key name is EMP ID. Yeah, now we have to write a delete query. Here you can write a delete query to this data SQL data source, delete query. Yeah, delete query has only one parameter, that is a where clause. If you forward to give where clause, all data will be get deleted. Yeah, refresh parameter, give control. Yeah, just run this page. Update. Yeah, this data is updated. If you want to delete, you can delete here. Oh, this is directly deleted, so you have to provide that pop-up message, are you sure to delete this record? Yeah, sure, we'll give this. So to do this, you have to convert this delete column into custom template field. Custom template field means that you can write any code on this page. Convert this field to template. Yeah, delete. Here you can write your JavaScript code. Return confirm, that is normal on client click. Turn confirm, are you sure delete this record? Yeah, this is a pop-up We'll confirm you before deleting the record. Yeah, run now. Yeah, this will pop up, will be happy. Are you sure to delete your? If you say okay, it will be get deleted, otherwise it will be get data will be remain as it is. Cancel.